A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Greetings. Welcome back to this channel where every day at 5 a.m. there's a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Lilieth Deacon from Providence Methodist Church. Check the details below to learn more about me. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like and share with your family and arrangements. This is the epistle that comes from Philippians 4, reading from verse 1 to verse 9. When me done, me I go say, a God word this, and you say, thank God. Me brother and sister, me love you, and me miss and long for see you so till you make me happy, and me can really boast about you, cause you come in like one crown when me get for me hard work. So me want you to turn up strong in a one you believe about the Lord. Me I beg Yodia and me I beg Sintike, for the Lord's sake, live good with one another. And me I beg me good friend will always help me in and me work for the Lord. Help them woman here will always stand up strong with me and help me spread the good news. Help Clement and all of God people will walk with me too. Them name write down in a God book where have the name of everybody where God are going to make live forever. Uno forever happy, cause uno and the Lord are one. Me I say it again. Uno fi happy, live in a one way so that everybody can see say uno take time with other people. The Lord soon come back. No worry up on yourself about nothing. What uno fi do, I pray to God about everything. Ask Him for what uno want and give Him thanks for everything. When uno do that, God will give uno peace in uno heart and mind in a one way where uno can even understand. Him a go do it so uno no have to worry about nothing, cause uno and the Lord are one. Me brother and sister, one more thing me want to say to uno. Uno see anything we true, anything we can respect, anything we right, anything we good and clean, anything where people can look on and feel good about, anything where people can talk good about, anything where fit to get big up, and them sitting there on office set on heart and mind pan all the time. They sitting them on the lawn and where uno get from me, and when me hear and see me do, and them sitting there uno fi always do. When uno do them sitting there, God, the only one we can give uno peace in our heart and mind, Him will bless uno. Me really happy and me praise the Lord so uno remember me again. This a God word. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.